In this video, I will show you how to use ClickUp Docs for collaboration. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Open the Docs section on the left. Select New Doc. Add titles, sections, and bullet points to structure your content. You can also use / command to insert tables, images, checklists, and more. If you need to tag a teammate for feedback, simply use the @ and select the person. You can also link tasks or goals directly in the document. You can also share this document with people by selecting Share in the top right corner, adding their email address. You can also set the edit or view permissions for this person. Use Docs to store SOPs, content briefs, or meeting notes. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.